Hello everyone, and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In today's video, I'm going to be kind of going over the question, can you make money self-publishing? I'm going to show you some of the results that I'm getting right now currently. I'm going to show you a little bit of my method. Some are some kind of secret methods that I don't think anybody knows about. And then I'm going to kind of go over some other different methods that you could also use in your business. So I'm going to show you some results that I'm getting right now. So it doesn't look like a bunch of money, but keep in mind that this didn't take hardly any work at all, and it's just passive income coming in every month. As you can see, I'm slated to receive a payment of $69 here, should be today or tomorrow, from Draft2 Digital. I've had a total number of books sold of 865. I sold 58 books last month. I've sold 5 books so far this month, and so on. Now, if I went into reports over here under my reports, and then I went into ebook raw sales data, and I'm checking out September. This won't be all the sales, but you can see I'm selling books in all kinds of different categories: pottery making, ketogenic diet 101, keto diet beginners, keto diet recipes for beginners, top 100 bodybuilding tips, mastering Facebook ads, the ultimate wedding planning guide, how to control acid reflux, newborn baby tips for first-time moms, all kinds of different categories of books that are selling. And I make sales almost daily on different platforms. And so that's some of the results that I'm getting from Draft2 Digital's probably my favorite place to publish books. As you can see, I have a ton of books published with this platform. And I actually didn't really do any of the work myself. I actually outsourced the work. Some other results I'm getting are another place called Publish Drive. It's another self-publishing book distribution platform. Now, I've only published 2 books on this platform, and one of them has not made any sales at all, and the other one has made 18 sales. So I've made 18 sales with one book. I've sold 13, or I've made $18 with one book. I've sold 13 copies because I think I'm only selling it for about $1.99 per sale. And I do, well, I guess I have a gross sales of 24 USD. So my earnings is $18 profit. Okay, so you'll see I've made some sales here. It's in the crafts and hobbies niche. The best price is $1 to $2. I'm selling it for $1.99. Apple Books has actually been the top seller on this platform, and the top country is United States. So it gives you some nice fancy charts, kind of where you're capturing sales and what countries, that sort of thing. So this was only 2 books. So I click over here on books, you'll see I only have 2 books actually posted, and there's the 18. You'll see right here, $18 profit on 13 pieces. I haven't made any sales on this book, but I might have had too high of a price, so I just now dropped the price to $1.99. So so those are kind of this income comes in every month. I'm getting paid every month like clockwork. I'm getting paid every month passively without doing any additional work. It's just a set and forget. You do the work one time and then you make money. One of the other strategies that you could do is on Amazon. I also publish on Amazon, not as much today. I focus on the other platforms, but Amazon Kindle publishing, you could also come in here, go to Amazon, and you could go to Kindle, the Kindle store, and you notice that I was selling a lot of keto books. So you could type in keto diet for beginners as a popular keyword. And then I want to check out some stats here and see how much money some of these top books are actually making per month. You can see that the potential, using my KD Spy tool, it does a lot of the research very quickly for me. But you can see the potential of this keyword is in green. So you can make a lot of money if you were in the top 20 books for this keyword. People are typing this in every day, thousands of times a day. Keto diet for beginners. This is the most popular diet on the planet right now. And you can see that the average monthly revenue for these top 20 results is $4,511. The average sales rank is under 50,000. So it's a very lucrative niche, very lucrative long tail keyword to get into. Now, what I like to do is I like to come in and I'll look at the pages and see what's the lowest amount of pages. So this, the smallest book that I could have written in order to compete with these guys. And so I like to see it under 200. And there's plenty of books that are under 200 here in the top 20. That's good news for us. So we don't have to pay as much to get a book written for us. But this just gives you an idea of what you could do. These top 20 books are making $90,000 a month. And this tool is really nice because it does it tells you how many reviews they have. If you didn't have this tool right here, you'd have to go in here and you'd have to check every single one of these, and you'd have to open it up. You'd have to look at how many reviews they have, and you'd have to scroll all the way down here to get their Amazon bestsellers rank right here, 4,000, which is really good. And you can do this manually, but it is, and you'd want to do 10 to 20 books to get an idea if the keyword is worth going for. Now, that's where my tool comes in. Using Katie Spy works a lot better because it does it quickly. So you can also get into self-publishing and make that kind of money. And just by going back, just looking at it again, this will show you what's possible. And this is just one keyword. This is how much money you potentially could make if you ranked your book in the top 20. Now, there's different ways to go about doing that. First, you can outsource your book, get a book written for you. And then what you would want to do is you'd want to run ads and start getting reviews on your book, start getting sales, optimize your advertising, and you could land yourself in the top 20 and making $1,000 to $2,000 a month from one book. So that's about it for today's video. If you like what you've seen and you want to follow what I'm doing online to make money online, I'm showing real ways that I'm pulling in money. I'm showing it right in front of you live, cutting through the bull crap of making money online and giving you my honest opinion of if an opportunity is realistic to make money from, or if it's a bunch of crap. I will also share that with you as well. If you like what you see, please smash that like button. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on my further videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.